Alright guys, today we're going to install this WOLFBOX G900 Pro. It's going to come in handy because this mirror is the original mirror. It's pretty worn out, and this thing will allow you to see digitally in the front and the rear. Let's check it out. Oh yeah, WOLFBOX G900 Pro. Let's do it. I've installed a few dash cams recently, and this one's really unique. Yeah, check it out guys. So this thing is going to be a digital mirror. Check that out, it looks pretty cool. It straps onto your existing mirror. So it's got these rubber straps. These are the bigger ones. So we can pull this off now. It plugs in real easy. All right, let's plug in the power. Blue light came on. There it is. There we go. All right, check it out. There's a little bit of glare because the sun's coming in here, but it looks crystal clear, guys. We're gonna drive around here in a minute and I'll show you the footage that it's actually recording. It looks awesome. It's pretty cool. And it's actually recording right now. You can go to settings. Can do all kinds of really cool stuff. Front camera, rear camera, split screen. Oh, that's cool. Split screen, that's awesome. You can record, sound record, on or off, loop recording, G sensor. So that senses an impact. And you can use voice control to switch the mirror from front to rear, split screen, microphone on and off, turn off Wi-Fi. All right, Wi-Fi is off. So now you can control it from here. And you got all these different settings. All right guys, here's the split screen. This is the rear camera and this is the front camera. This is the bed. It's looking back on the bed of the truck. And you can come in here and you can switch to the rear camera. Or you can go to the front camera. You can also use voice activation. So you can go show rear camera. Show front camera. It's pretty cool. Okay guys, here we are driving through the neighborhood. As you can see, it looks crystal clear. You can see everything really nice. Alright guys, one of the coolest features other than the high quality 5K video and the big screen is the voice control features. The voice control features allow you to turn on and off the audio, turn on and off the screen, turn on and off Wi-Fi, recording, and front cameras and rear cameras. It's pretty cool to be able to do that while you're driving with your voice. Alright guys, here's some night footage. The other cool feature about this one is you can easily move it from one vehicle to another. I actually moved it to my Mazda because I just put a brand new windshield in my Mazda Tribute, so I was able to get clear images. So you can easily move this system from one car to another, no problem, because it just straps to the mirror. Really cool feature. Alright guys, I've got the app pulled up on my iPad just so it's easier for you guys to see, but you can put it on your any Wi-Fi device and just go to your Wi-Fi and you connect to the WOLFBOX G900. It's real easy. And so now we can see on here what we're seeing on the screen, which is pretty cool. So that way you can control the WOLFBOX G900 from your Wi-Fi device. It also has voice activation. So you can say, turn off Wi-Fi. So it's voice activated, which is pretty cool. Turn on Wi-Fi. That's awesome. Take a picture. Go to your Wi-Fi, click on WOLFBOX, go to the app, confirm, access device. So now we have access. So we can go to device settings on the app. We can hit record, picture, microphone. These are all the things that we've recorded so far. So you can go in and look at any of these clips. All right, guys, go check it out. Get yourself one. Let me know what you think. I think it's awesome. All right, guys, click on the link below. Get your discount code. Let me know if you get one. See you on the next one. Later.